Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the GoPro. I'm using a GoPro 8 here, and this is using a waterproof case that has been mounted to my bodyboard. I'm also going to show you these exact same waves with video taken from the beach, so we can kind of compare and contrast them. So here's some of that footage from the beach right here. And this is using a iPhone 12 Pro Max. All right, let's dive in. So in on the beach in this awesome little hut, we'll call it, is my son. There he is right there. He's got, again, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. He'll be taking all the footage from the beach for us. And then I have the GoPro mount, which is on my boogie board and bodyboard, let's call it. And I'll show you what that looks like right now. Okay, so let me show you the setup. So this is the bodyboard I've got right here. I put a mount on it. It mounts just like a leash does, pretty inexpensive. By the way, all these different products, I'll put links to these down in the description so you can go check those out. And then also I have a waterproof case. So, and there's your GoPro. This is the 8 right here. It just slides right in. You can see here that I also pulled out the mouthpiece mount, and I'll be trying that on future videos. So subscribe to the channel, check that out. On these videos, I am not going to be speaking over them, so that way you can hear, the GoPro, you can actually hear the waves and hear the water. The footage from the beach, you can hear my son, he's rooting me on and that kind of stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead, keep that sound on there for you. Hey guys, hope you enjoy the video.
Hit the corner. A little lefty here. Let's see if we can get a left. All right, ready to go? Let's do it. That one, I rode the ramp straight down. Let's do this. This is gonna work.
Hey, why don't we slow it down a second? Check it out. So this is in slow motion right here. And it's funny because it does the voices in slow motion too. But it's really fun, like when you're duck diving and stuff. I'll have to find a beach with clearer water, but it's pretty fun, makes it cool. having just a little bit of fun putting the camera above water, then underwater, coming back above water. Just trying to have some fun out there.
Come on, Daddy. Yeah. Get it. Yeah.
Get it right.
Oh my gosh, Daryl, yeah. Oh, there goes the board. Not even alive. Uh-oh, better get aboard. Get the board. Get the board.
Here's the same wave, and I'll slow this one down. After this, I'll also show you the same wave again with the GoPro, and I'll slow that one down.
Get it right.
Here it's slowed down to half speed. Hey friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're able to kind of compare and contrast and take a look at that GoPro on the bodyboard mount and see what it looks like from the beach as well with an iPhone. That's all I was using right there. Actually, my son was using. Hey guys, if this video helped you out, do me a favor. Give it a thumbs up. It'll make my son so stoked. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Have fun out there. I've added on some bonus footage here, so really the video's over. But if you want to stick around, I'm going to do some slow motion. And I like the slow motion video. It sounds funny, though, because the slow motion also makes the voices slow motion. So you can hear my voice and my son's voice. It's funny to hear. But anyway, enjoy, guys. Again, this is just like some bonus footage. So if you don't want to watch it, that's okay with me. I hope you have a great day out there. See ya.
Maybe a little lefty here. Let's see if we can get a left. All right, you ready to go? Let's do it.
Having just a little bit of fun, putting the camera above water, then water, coming back above water, just trying to have some